Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off motion and fitness tracking on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And from here, scroll down and tap on motion and fitness. From here at the top, you can tap on fitness tracking to turn on or turn off fitness tracking. And as I here, motion and fitness tracking stores data on your device, which can be used to estimate your body motion, mobility, step counts, stairs climb, and more. And below that are a list of apps that have requested access to motion and fitness. In here, you can tap on the toggle button for each app to allow or block access to motion and fitness data. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.